So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, guys. So, as you can see, or maybe not, I don't know by the thumbnail, because what do I always say? I haven't made it yet. But if you are wondering what's going on, I am super excited to be able to bring this video to you. Super, super excited. It's a good one, guys. I promised you some good things, and they are coming one after the other, and I'm loving it. So if you want to see what this is all about and why I am super excited and feel so, so blessed, then by all means, keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not. Rate the video thumbs up and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay, guys, so yes, where do I begin? First of all, let me just tell you what we do here really quickly on this channel. This is a beauty channel. We talk about all things beauty, both inside and out. It is for the mind, the body, and the soul. Now, you know, beauty has a lot of meanings, guys, so I cover a lot of things on this channel. I do everything from unboxings to try-ons to reviews, freebies. You know, oh my gosh, there's just so many things. I just want to make sure that, you know, my videos leave you coming away feeling better than when you clicked on them. And also, my ultimate goal is, of course, to play and make up, have fun. Now, if anything that I've mentioned sounds, you know, like maybe something you would like to investigate or, you know, further see, please, by all means, hit the subscribe button and become part of our family. This is a family. I do consider every single person that is involved in this channel. I don't like the word subscriber, but I may have to use it for this one, guys, and you know what that means. But anyway, I don't have a relationship with my family all like that. And yeah, so I turn to you guys anytime I need any help or advice or what have you. So to me, that's family. So why I'm so excited about this video is because, first of all, I'm sure you could see that it is a collab. But it's not just any collab, guys. This is a collab with someone who has been a huge supporter of this channel since, for a long time. And through chatting with her and getting to know her a little bit, I found that we are very similar in a lot of ways. We have a lot in common, and we were able to bond over that. And, you know, through our chats and whatnot, back and forth with each other, she told me she wanted to start a channel, and I was like, go for it. You know, that's awesome. And so she did come to me and say she was ready to do it. And then in the next breath asked me if I would collab with her on her very first video. And I was like, what? Me? Are you, what? Yes. So I absolutely said yes. And I'm very thrilled to be here. And I'm very thrilled to introduce to you Danyelle Sinclair. Guys, you probably already know her. So, you know, if you do know her, this will come to no shock to you. Yeah, she's doing her own channel. And guys, we are collabing on her first video. I'm going to tell you, she's coming out the gate hard, guys. She's coming out the gate hard. So, what we do have for you is what I have on my eyes today, which is the Natasha Denona Love Palette. Right there it is. And guys, my nails have been breaking. Oh, I just need help. I need to go get them done so badly. But anyway, so here's the palette. Let me open it up so there's no glare on the ring. Okay, so let me just tell you a little something about me. If you're new here and you don't know, and if you've been with me for a while, you already know this. I am a klutz, and oh so klutz. Now, when she asked me to collab with her, she asked me, you know, what do you think about this? What do you think about that? And ultimately, we decided upon doing a collab about the Natasha Denona palette. Now, you will see that it's slightly loved, just a little bit, but trust me, I have played in this palette quite a few times. Now, what I can tell you is this is my palette. Now, guys, I do have another one here, and that means, you guessed it, giveaway, right? However, me being my klutzy self, oh my gosh, I was taking the palettes out and, you know, playing around and like gonna do some swatches and take some footage of the swatches. And I had my palette out, but I accidentally reached for the palette for the giveaway, and you guessed it, I dropped it. And guys, if I show you this palette, wow. But no worries, I did purchase another one. Hubby was very nice. He said, go ahead, get another one. I was able to use his card. I ordered it. Now, it's very funny because I was on the fence about buying this palette. And I was like, do I really need another palette? But oh my God, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's Natasha Denona. Guys, I am really getting into her shadows. Like, they are so easy to work with. I see now what the hype is about. Like, I was like, what's the hype all about? Well, now I know. But anyway, this is what the palette is. This is the second palette. Do you see how horrible that is? There was not even any salvaging this. And I had already dipped into this one. So I was like, oh my God, you could hear me screaming from downstairs, right? So when he come running up and found out, like, what's wrong? And I'm like, I can't believe I dropped the palette. So I went ahead and I did order a new one. It's on its way. It'll be here in plenty of time for the giveaway. Okay, now, that being said, simply Steph, what can I say, right? So this is the palette, okay? And this is what it looks like, guys. It is gorgeous. This is what I have on my eyes today. And I have wore it in a few other videos. I just haven't mentioned it. I don't think, or maybe I did. I don't know. Anyway, I was kind of on the fence about getting this. And when she asked me, she said, what do you think about getting the Love palette? And I was like, that's all the persuasion I needed to go. I was like teetering on the fence. Right over the fence I went ahead, purchased it. Got two of them, of course, one for you. And then, of course, the one that I have on my eyes. Now, like I said, I broke that one, but there's another one coming our way. Do not fear. I will do some swatches really quickly. I don't want this video to be super long. But I will tell you that Danielle has always been a great supporter of mine. She has really been, you know, so positive, and she's extremely strong person. I can tell you that. Just by knowing her the way I know her, she is so strong and determined, and that is a great quality when you are starting a channel. It's not easy to do this channel. I love doing this channel, and the day it becomes unfun for me is the day I will step down. But we are not doing that. We are not talking about that because that has never been a thought. I went over that with you in a couple of videos prior. But yeah, no, this is just a lovely thing to do. I feel so blessed that she asked me to do this with her. I'm super, super excited. And I can't wait to see, like, she is going to be a force to reckon with. She really is. I believe she's going to bring something great to this platform. And I'm always about supporting people who are starting and, you know, younger channels or what have you. Yes, that's what we need to do. She is just, you know, she's always been a very nice person, and I've always gotten along really well with her. You know, I can joke with her. She's real. She's funny. She's all around good person, and I really believe she's going to bring something great here, which is why I said, absolutely, yes, I will do this. So let me just start by saying this is a gorgeous palette, like I said previously. Let me just show you the carton, okay? It does look like this, and on the back you do have the shade names, okay? This is very simply laid out, okay? Now, as you can see, I will show you here. Now, the names on the back of these shades are You Are My True Love. So, starting from this end over, it says You Are My True Love. Very easy to remember. Even I can remember them, guys. So, You Are My True Love. Now, some of these shadows have a shift. They are all gorgeous. Very beautiful palette, and I'm very happy that I got this. Now, I will go ahead and swatch it for you very quickly, starting with the shade You. And then I'm going to try and if I can't get it to show up here, guys, I absolutely will put a swatch in here. I'm the terriblest swatcher in the world. I really am. I never claim to be a good swatcher. Even her mattes. And these guys, these shadows you can use wet, okay? I know it looks a little janky now, but give me a second. Again, I'm a terrible swatcher, guys, so yeah, trying to do this with the light, not working. Now, if you didn't see, there are other swatches there, but like I said, you really can't see the shifts on them. So beautiful. For instance, this one in the palette has a very pinky, gold, bronzy shift to it. Very pretty. I have that on the center of my eyes. I have that kind of tapped over the middle. I did use this one for my crease, this one for my outer corner. Also, this one all over the lid, and then I went lighter on the inner third right here to kind of open the eyes up a little bit. So yeah, I mean, and I did follow her technique as far as bringing the shadows very close to the lash line, starting the outer corner. Yeah, so I mean, this is a great palette. It's a very pretty palette. So, like I said, I am here to support Danielle, And I just want to say something. Danielle, when you asked me to do this, I just want to say thank you so very much. Now, guys, she doesn't even know I'm doing this. So hopefully when she sees this video, she will understand. I have not said this, but I have great confidence in you. I know you can do this. I know you can do this. And I'm just very proud of you. And, you know, go get them, girl. Go get them. And I wish you nothing but happiness. Remember, have fun with this. This is something that should be yours, that is fun, that you do for yourself and for others. And you know what I mean? And you've always got my support. Remember that, okay? So with that, guys, I will get into the giveaway rules as in any collab and where there's a giveaway or just collabs in general. But this one, being that it's a giveaway, there are some certain rules. So first of all, you must be subscribed. I can't even believe I'm saying it. It's so awesome. You must be subscribed to both of our channels, okay? You must, and guys, make sure your accounts are public so we can check, okay? Also, and now here's the thing. Here's the lovely thing about it. There's going to be 2 winners, so you have 2 chances of winning, so that is awesome. Like I said, you must be subscribed to both channels. You must watch both our videos in their entirety, okay, guys? From beginning to end, okay? Because we are going to have little things in there that you will need to know in order to enter the giveaway, okay? So, from beginning to end, also rate both videos thumbs up. I will leave a link to her video down below. You can go ahead and click on that. Now, it will take me a second to get it into the description box because once we upload it, we have to put it on public in order to share. So, that's a thing. But anyway, what you will do is you will absolutely, you know, once you're done here, go over and watch her video and, you know, whatever she says to do it on her video. You must leave a comment on both videos. That will vary, and I will get to that in a second. Also, you must be 18 or older. And guys, this giveaway is open for U.S. residents. I mean, you don't have to live in U.S., but you must have a U.S. shipping address, okay? We can't, you know, it's her first one out the gate. We're going to cut her some slack on this. And I do have an international going on, as you know. And if you don't know, then I will also leave that link down below, I guess. So what we want you to do, at least I think this is, I'm not sure if it's the same, but so you must go watch her video. She very well may do something different. We talked about so many ideas, so it's kind of, I haven't seen her video, so I don't know, and she hasn't seen mine. You must comment down below and use the word love in it. You know, it is a love palette. This is the month of giving back. This is a month of telling each and every one of you how much you mean to me, and now how much you are going to mean to her. Okay, let's just support her, guys. Let's get her going. Like I said, I was so honored and felt so blessed that she asked me to do this. So there were a few tears shed and happy tears, of course. YouTube is not responsible in any way for this, you know, giveaway. It's solely on me. At least this particular video and giveaway is solely on me. Yeah, so comment. So be subscribed. Oh, and please turn your bell on, like I said, because who knows? I would love to do this again, like with her. You know what I mean? And being that she's young and new to this platform, then yeah, that would be awesome. Yeah, basically that's it. I guess I don't think I missed anything. Oh, please leave us a way to get a hold of you. Okay, this giveaway will run for 1 month, and there you have it, guys. I mean, hopefully I can insert some swatches right here. Don't know. I hope. If not, there'll be somewhere in this video. That is my cat who I'm going to... Guys, she has just ran over everything. Carly, please get down. Hang on, guys. My cat is a trip. I don't know. She's excited, I guess, about the giveaway. She's jumping all around. But anyway, there you have it. Again, subscribe to both channels. Watch both videos in their entirety. Please be public so we can see. 18 or older. U.S. shipping address. This giveaway will run for a month, and you must leave the comment with the word we need in it, okay? It could be different for both. I'm not sure. I haven't, you know, like I said, I haven't seen her video, and I don't know what she decided on, but whatever it is, by all means, follow the rules over there, the same as you would follow them here. And there you have it, guys. You know, thank you so much for tuning in, and listen, you know, Danielle, good luck, baby. all the blessings, all the happiness. If you have just 1/10 of the happiness that I have, you will be super, super happy, because I am always happy doing this. I'm always happy. My community is an awesome community. My family members here are awesome. You know, you guys are just so supportive. I can't even imagine. And to the newcomers that I have here, I have quite a bit of newcomers. Thank you. Thank you very much for tuning in. And you know, and subscribing. And I don't like the word subscriber if you don't know that. If you are new, you might not. But for the purposes of this video, when I say subscribe, I don't like to use that word. That's YouTube's word. But anyway, you know, for just when I do giveaways and stuff, I do use it. You know, people who have been here for a while do know that. But yeah, I hope you stick around, because there's so much more to come. I mean, guys, this isn't it. This isn't it. There's so much more too. I mean, so far, I said there were great things coming, and I've given you 2 of the really, really good things, and it's just getting more and more. And when I say I promise, right? So that is something you will know about me. When I say I'm going to do something, I do it. And just as a side note, I did pick the winners to the 500 giveaway, but this is not about that. We are not taking anything away from this video. I do have them, and I will be announcing them in my next video. Okay. So, guys, that's it. Please follow us on IG. That always helps us out. That way we can communicate with you. That's a really good way to get a hold of you if you are the winner. You know, there it is, guys. I hope you go over and show her much love. She's awesome girl. Awesome, awesome. Until I see you again in the next one, please remember to, you know, share if you are not feeling right. Get it off your chest. Talk about it. You know, it will make you feel better. I promise. It will not hurt you. I know that. And always, please, take care of each other, guys. This world is so crazy. Definitely stay safe. That's very important. And again, I won't close this video by saying goodbye. I will say, until in the next one, guys, see ya.